Hello, it's Temestral, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk, and my passion is pickups and SUVs. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I just landed in Vegas doing the Ram drive this week, and I happened to see some news I thought would be a good question of the day. I like doing these questions of the day, get some feedback from you guys, some ideas. You guys always give me good thoughts on what you're thinking on the marketplace and what's going on in truck world, and so I love putting these out to kind of get some feedback. So today I want to talk about GM, and I want to talk about GM a little carefully because it's a very hot topic right now. GM's changing plans as far as the future. So we know back in December that GM CEO Mary Barra said that she was cutting jobs. They were going to move towards autonomous and more EV solutions as far as electric vehicle production. They were cutting a bunch of white-collar jobs, and there are 54,000 North American salaried jobs, 50% of its workplace, of its total salaried jobs, and production at 5 North American plants was going to end, including Oshawa. Oshawa's UAW, the Canadian UAW, has been throwing a fit over this. They've had campaigns. Sting went up there and sang in front of the factory. And then today, GM announced that it was going to invest $36 million in the Lansing plant. This is going to improve the assembly plant there for future crossover production, is what the story is. The Lansing plant currently builds a Chevy Traverse and Buick Enclave crossovers. This is on top of more than $600 million they've invested since 2009. So they're not discussing, for competitive reasons, what they're going to build at that plant. But I thought it was kind of weird that they were going to talk about expansion and investing money in a crossover plant when they specifically talked about doing a lot more with autonomous and EV production. And you got Canada going, hey, what about us over here? So I thought it was kind of interesting. I'm the son of a GM brat. We grew up in Janesville, Fort Wayne, and Flint Assembly, and so I've kind of been through the plant changes and the way the GM closes the plant and it kills the town. Janesville is struggled for years to get back to where it was, and it's a very serious matter for these towns that you lose a major employer and things go downhill. It has so many repercussions, and so you have GM making this big announcement today, $36 million in Lansing to improve that plant. We're not done yet. I'm sure there's going to be more announcements as they shift their business around. I know Flint Assembly, where we did the tour. I have a video coming up on that as well, where we did the Chevy Trucks tour. So yeah, it's going to add 1,000 workers to Flint Assembly and to build a new heavy-duty truck. They're transitioning that factory as well. They spent a lot of money making that factory to be more robotic, to be more efficient, to produce more trucks. And so they make some big changes here. And like I said, just a question a day. Just a pure question of the day, 3-4 minute video. I'm going to end it here in a little bit. What do you think? Are you excited about GM's new path? Do you think that expansion in autonomous and EV, what they said, but what they're showing is maybe crossover and truck, which I'm more of a fan of that approach than what Mary Barra had said back in December. Do you think that's a smart approach? Do you think Oshawa is getting screwed? Do you think Lordstown's getting screwed? Do you think people are getting screwed in those areas that GM could have kept the plants going by maybe reassigning these crossovers they invested in Lansing over there instead? So what do you think? So sound off below. Email me at tim@pickuptrucktalk.com. More comments, concerns. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It's Pickup Truck Talk. Type it in. You'll find it. It's there. I'll try to answer as many comments as I can. Again, put them below. Hit subscribe. Hit bell notification when we do more of these questions a day. If you have topic ideas, email me these topic ideas. I love getting some feedback from people and kind of thinking through some different ideas that comes in. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you down the road.